Okay, so far in Visual Basic we've done everything onto one form, where we haven't even looked at other forms, multiple forms. But now we're going to look at multiple forms. As you can see, this project, Project 1, which I'm highlighting up here, has two forms. Form 1, which it has a command button that says go to Form 2, and another form that has another command button that says go back to Form 1. Okay. To add a new form to a project is quite simple. We just go to Project up here, and then we go to Add Form, and then we click on Open. And as you can see, it's added Form 3 to the project just here. I'm not going to worry about Form 3, I'm going to concentrate on Form 1 and Form 2. So the idea behind this program is that when we click on Form 2, it will take us to Form 2, and then when we click on onto this command button, it will take us back to Form 1. So then, the code that we need to do to generate this to happen is we double click on it, and then we type in Form 2, which is a destination of where we want our program to take us, dot. Then when you click on dot, press dot I should say, you'll have a list of properties that will appear just here. Don't worry if some of these don't make sense, we'll cover most of them in next and other lectures, but the one we want is one called show, which is just there. So form1.show. So that will show the form, and if we play the program, I'll demonstrate it in action. Just make it a bit bigger. Click on Form 2, and it shows Form 2. The only problem is we don't really want Form 1 to appear with Form 2 as well. So I'll stop the program, and after form2.show, I'm going to type in form1.hide. So in other words, it'll hide the current form that we were currently on. So I'm going to go back to Form 2, and I'm going to do exactly the opposite. So I want to show Form 1, and I want to hide Form 2. We'll play it to see if it works. Let's make it a bit bigger. Click on Form 2, and as you can see, it works. Okay, so your task now is to make the following program. This here. Let me just demonstrate it in action. We'll click on Start. There's a username and password box. When I type in a username, I'll type in anything, and a password, and click on OK. It will tell me that there's an incorrect password and I have to try again. Okay, so it resets the two text boxes, that's very important. And the username, if I can remember, is Tim Cook, my name, and the password I think is awesome. And then we click on OK, and it will take us, login successful, to Form 2. So that's what the program does, and if you think about it, it's not too hard to do, this program. You've got two labels of username and password, two text boxes, text 1 and text 2 I've called these, and a command button that says OK. So the code, if you think about it, will be an if statement, because we want to say if the username is equal to whatever our username is, and the password is equal to something, then we want it to show the next page. Otherwise, i.e. else, have a message box that says I'm sorry, please try again. So your next task is to use all the skills you learnt in if statements and how to navigate between forms to make this program work. Good luck, and as I said before in all other previous video exercises, have a go at it first yourself. Please try, because that's the best way to learn. Once you've had an attempt and you've spent some time at it and you're still having troubles, then I'll come over and help. Okay? Good luck.